If your front stroller wheels are getting stuck while strolling, here are some tips for cleaning. First, we are going to remove the front wheels one at a time. The easiest way to remove the front wheels is to lay the stroller down on its rear wheels. Next, you will see a small button above the wheel. Press this button while sliding the wheel off, and it will release the front wheel from the frame. Now that you have removed the front wheels, use warm soapy water with a cloth or paper towel to clean the axles on both wheels. After you have cleaned the front wheels, you can reinstall them onto the frame of the stroller. Make sure the white rim on the wheels is facing outward. Insert the wheels until you hear a click, and then pull on them to make sure they are installed properly. Now you can go on your way. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to our consumer care team.